Alright, so I bought a few more neons, got them under the seats, got more under the dash now so you can see it better. I got them so you can see the subs when they hit, which is pretty sweet, and I got these ones so I can see the gear shift because the fucking fuse burned out. But anyways, welcome to the zoo, bitches.